how to find currencies settings on a Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find currencies settings. First open your browser and and now click settings here, and once you're here all you need to do just go to the second one here on setup, click currencies, and as you see here you can manage what currencies customers will see and we charge it in on your store, and that's it. You can manage it, just click edit, and here you can manage it, just select anything you want and then click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.